Login failed on Seeking Alpha app fix. You open your Seeking Alpha app to read breaking market news or check your stock alerts and suddenly, login failed. It's annoying, but the truth is, this happens more often than you think. And the fix? Easier than most people realize. First, let's tackle your connection. Seeking Alpha needs a stable, secure network to authenticate logins. If your Wi-Fi signal is weak or public, switch to mobile data. Alternatively, toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds and off again to reset your network. Next, make sure your app is updated. Head to the App Store or Google Play, search Seeking Alpha, and hit Update. Old-up versions sometimes lose compatibility when Seeking Alpha rolls out new authentication protocols. If the app is up to date, manually enter your credentials. Avoid using autofill, it can store outdated passwords. Double-check your username and password, and if needed, reset your login through the Forgot Password link. If you're still seeing login failed, clear your app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, App Seeking Alpha Storage, clear cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app. It refreshes old temporary data and removes any corrupted files. If you're using Avvin, disable it temporarily. Seeking Alpha system sometimes rejects mass TIP addresses for security reasons. Finally, if nothing works, test logging in from the Seeking Alpha website. If it works there, but not on mobile, reinstalling will usually solve it. If both fail, the servers may be temporarily overloaded, especially after market close or breaking news. So next time your Seeking Alpha app says login failed, remember, check your connection, update your app, re-enter your credentials, and clear your cache. These simple steps almost always get you back to your market insights, stock updates, and community discussions in minutes.